I've never seen my leg this clearly before. That's kind of crazy. New moon time and no good candles. Look how good his grooming thing was. He's so cute. Oh, his skin is so smooth now. I had to like rush and get ready because I told her I was already ready, but then now she came and I'm just gonna go. I was trying to say I was like really rushing and my grandma was rushing me, but now I'm waiting on her, so it's like, but I'll show y'all my outfit probably in the restaurant bathroom. I think we're gonna go to Chili's. It's either Chili's or Applebee's. Either way, I'm ready to eat. I don't care, whatever, like I'm just ready to eat. It's like really rainy outside, but not over here. Over here it's kind of just like half and half, like it's dark as hell over there and bright over here, so we're trying to beat the rain. I don't know why my voice just got so deep. Oh my god. But yes, I feel good. I'm excited she asked because my grandma doesn't usually like to eat out and I love eating out. Oh, do we have masks in here? What are they doing? These niggas on these damn four-wheelers. I got my mask. Oh, I need to ask her about money. Okay, I'll see y'all when I get to the restaurant. This is so good. And it's only the appetizer. Let me get dessert, bro. Pretty. Oh my god. Okay. Come here. Hi. That's how you know it's like 7 a.m. Good morning. I'm just gonna sit you up there if that's fine. So I went to sleep last night. Like I actually went to sleep at night and like woke up and it's 7 a.m. right now. Look at that. It is 7 a.m. right now. I'm never up this early after sleeping. If I'm ever up this early, it's because I stayed up. Why is it? Like if I'm ever up this early, it's because I stayed up throughout the night, not because I'm just waking up. So I'm proud of myself. Hopefully my sleep schedule is back now, and no, I am claiming it. My sleep schedule is back now. I sleep in the night and I wake up in the day because I've been nocturnal for weeks, months actually, and it's changing now. And we're back. We are back. So good morning. Yesterday was kind of chill, honestly. We just went to eat and then I came back and read and literally just like fell asleep. We're gonna journal now because I need to do that. I try to do it every morning or like whenever I'm awake. This is like my manifestation journal / gratitude journal, and then this right here is like my mind dump journal where I just dump my thoughts and everything that is going on in here. And honestly, I kind of switch them out. Sometimes I write gratitude in here or in there. It just depends on the day. I'm so excited for my 18th birthday. We're celebrating it this weekend. I actually have to set my room up tonight. Oh my god, I have to set my room up tonight for it. I'm so excited. I need to get stuff. I need to make a list. Okay, before I do anything, I need to write this gratitude list because you're so cute. This shit the young kids do. Look at his cut. Why is he sitting? Oh my god. Why is he sitting like that's so cute? Come here. Come here. Let me put this on. It's so pretty out. Oh my god. Man, it's so nice out here. Would you look at that sun? It's so cute. It's so beautiful out. I am in love. Oh my god, he's so cute. This is the fit right now. I put on these ugly ass pants because I was rushing. So back when Black Lives Matter happened, I tried to make these pants. I know what the fuck I was on. I don't like them. They're not bad. Boop, not him pooping. They're not bad, but I don't like them. Like, they're giving like Georgia Peach, trying to prove she's not racist. Very racist. Well, yeah. Come on, Pooh. No, stop trying to go down there. Let's go. There you go. All the stupid shit the young kids do, just me and you. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go and relax and just scroll through Instagram and stuff like that, and I'll be back. Oh. Oh. That's not how you don't do that. I thought it would be a good idea to practice self-defense, but no, I'm just tired and all I know is a crappy sidekick and to distract someone if they're trying to fight me. I don't know, and like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm tired, bro. Like, you can see my face. I need to clear my skin back up. It was so clear last week, and look at this. Oh, there's bumps. He's so cute. Oh, I love him. Jesus. Guys, I really need more shorts. I only have like a good 4 pairs of shorts. So I'll wear them in the beginning of the week, and then as the week goes on, I don't have them. So I need to get more. Okay, so let me explain. Basically, I have to move everything that's right here. So the table and the books and the bookshelf. And I need to put it in that room over there. And then we're gonna bring the futon cushion that's in there and put it on the floor right here. So I'm gonna start that process. Okay, can you please stop? Please stop. I was saying I'm gonna leave it there for now, and then tomorrow we're gonna put actual futon down and relax. I'm gonna read Bridgerton now because I've wanted to get back into the story, but I've been procrastinating and just like doing other stuff. So we're gonna read more. He literally hasn't stopped. Okay. Now my feet being dirty. It's because I was walking around barefoot while I was setting this stuff up. Damn. Look like I just walked for real. Please, please stop, sir. I'm trying to kiss your forehead. Okay. We're gonna read now. I'm back awake. When I tell y'all I slept, like nigga, I slept. It's 6:07. Yeah, it's 6:07 right now, and I'm about to put together outfits. I have run a Pinterest account. If you guys don't know, it's linked below, and on there I like to put together outfits. So I'm about to work on that. And yeah, so just something to recoup myself. I already ate dinner. I just ate leftovers from yesterday when we went to the restaurant, because I had leftovers and it tasted so good. I put the fries in the air fryer. That shit works. I heard about that and it works. So yeah, we're gonna work on fashion now. So right now I'm trying to make like an Excel sheet but on paper, because I couldn't figure out how to actually work Excel. Like, I got so frustrated, you don't understand. I got mad. But yeah, I'm just trying to make like a makeshift Excel sheet for my Pinterest statistics. Oh, sorry. Yeah, for my Pinterest statistics to actually go on there. It's literally so much later from the last clip that you just saw. Like, I mean, shoot, it's like 7 or it's 8 actually, 8 o'clock now, so it's getting later. But look, they're almost kind of clean. Like, it looks cool to me. I like it. But yeah, I just got to put my Pinterest stats on there because I want to be organized with it, and if companies want to know like what my Pinterest things are. I'm also listening to the Anything Goes with Emma Chamberlain podcast. It's so good. I love her. Like, I've literally fallen in love with Emma over the past few weeks. I'm a little late, but I like her new editing style, so. Somehow my room literally got worse. I don't know how, but we're gonna clean this up. I'm back. But I want to give y'all a little update. One of my friends can't come now, so it's just gonna be me and my friend Haran. I'm super excited, and she's making a cake. Here, let's go. But I am very excited. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys what I bought from Dollar Tree. Also, I haven't put any of the blankets or pillows down, so I was like, there's no point in showing you. Literally all there is this black thing down there right now. It doesn't look appetizing, I guess you could say. But I will show you the things I got from Dollar Tree because we went earlier. We got birthday candles for the cake tomorrow. I got these tomato socks and they're so cute. I'm so happy about these. I love them. I love them. I needed toothpaste, so I got toothpaste. Honestly, I don't know though. I really don't like using Colgate because I think they animal test or whatever. But like, I needed toothpaste and we weren't going to Walmart, so I got a 300-piece Bob Ross puzzle. And I'm very excited about this. I think I want to start working on it now, but I might do it with my friend tomorrow. I don't know. It just depends. Because I'm watching a commentary video right now, like right before I put the camera up. So I might just do it and watch that. I guess we'll see. I got a word search puzzle because I lost my other one and I really like these. They're therapeutic, so. I got this graphic novel and I've never had one of these. I've never read one. I don't, like, all I know is just like comics. So I was like, okay, this will be interesting read. So I got this. So hopefully it's good. I think it's like horror. It's about like, it says on the road to hell with a trunk full of skulls. So it's definitely a thriller. And then lastly, I got this cute little book. It says cruelty will find. Oh, it says cruelty I'll find, or cruelty, yeah, cruelty I'll find. Would you look at how stunning that cover is? And this is at Dollar Tree, like, damn. But yeah, it looks really cool. And it's a pretty thick book. But yeah, so it's just gonna be us tomorrow, vibing out. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my tomato socks because why not? But yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. I guess it's the end. Yeah. You know, with this video, I guess in the next vlog you'll see clips from my actual birthday, or tomorrow as well as my actual birthday. But for now, that's the end of this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bo, do you want to say bye? You guys can say bye to my dog. He's like, I was just asleep, bitch. Leave me alone. No. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. It's so zoomed in. Bye. Television. Okay, bye for real.